Little slips that may cause you big trouble after home construction. Hello friends, today we will talk about the little slips that may cause you big trouble after home construction. When building a home, you have to focus on multiple things, from layout to design, from size to finishes. The list is exhaustive. As you take big decisions, there are small considerations that you tend to neglect and forget at the initial stages. These things may appear unimportant but need attention and equal planning in advance. Loose house circuit. You may consider the placement of switchboards and lights in all the major rooms, but there are other areas that you may not take note of in advance. For instance, you may need more sockets in the kitchen, which you may require in case you have to use more than one appliance at a time. Similarly, if you have a small garden, you would need landscape lighting. Opening flaws. The floor plan can clearly indicate the location of the doors, but there are other considerations, too, that you should keep in mind, such as the size of the door, the design pattern, the direction of the door swing, and also the type of door handles or locks you want. Tiled together. It is the rarest thing that you may have in your floor plan or the drawing. The cost of the tiles and the way they are used can affect your total cost of construction. Know beforehand that how much cost per square foot you will have to spend on your bathroom and kitchen tiles. Calculate in advance the size of the area you want to cover with tiles. Clean plumbing image. Plumbing also requires foresight and planning. Apart from fittings in the kitchen and bathroom, consider things like what should be the ideal height of the shower or where you would like to install the geyser. Make sure you also decide the requirement of the sanitary fittings in other areas of the house, such as the balcony, garden, or utility area. Stay closed. Closets and cabinets are a must for every home. You may need different closets in different bedrooms. Therefore, the custom closets have to be designed in advance. Besides deciding the size of the closet, also decide how you want to use it and for what purpose. The racks and shelves design, if decided in the floor plan, would be helpful in estimating the overall cost. Breathe in, breathe out. If you want to have air conditioners in every room, then get the design for the placement of windows in the floor plan itself. In the case of a centrally fitted air conditioner, do not neglect the fitting and the direction of the vent. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.